Hello dear students, welcome to the Royal Palace PU College online classes. So in last class we have discussed about the introduction about carboxylic acid and nomenclature of what here carboxylic acid. In today's session I am going to discuss about the methods of preparation of what here carboxylic acid. So here the methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. So we are going to prepare what here carboxylic acid. So from the alcohol, from alkyl benzene, from acyl halide, from esters. So here so many methods are there. So let us I will move for the first one methods of the preparation of carboxylic acid, that is from the primary alcohol. From the primary alcohol. First one, the methods of preparation of carboxylic acid from the primary alcohol. So generally the primary alcohol, so general formula RCH2OH. Okay. So primary alcohol, the OH group attached carbon which is directly attached to the one carbon atom. Hence such type of alcohols are called what here primary alcohols. The hydroxyl group attached carbon which is this one, this carbon directly attached to only one carbon atom, such alcohols are called what here primary alcohols. So primary alcohols undergo oxidation. So in presence of KMnO4, potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 or chromium trioxide in acidic condition. Okay. So alkaline or neutral or acidified condition of KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, they are oxidized what here primary alcohol to carboxylic acid. So whereas chromium trioxide in acidic condition only, so that convert what here primary alcohol to a carboxylic acid. Okay. So now the first one is the oxidation, I mean preparation of carboxylic acid from primary alcohol. Now here we are going to use what here a oxidizing agent like alkaline or acidified or neutral KMnO4, potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate. So oxidation, addition of what here oxygen. So these are the oxidizing agent KMnO4, K2Cr2O7, chromium trioxide. So that will oxidize what here a primary alcohol to carboxylic acid. Okay, carboxylic acid. Now addition of what here two oxygen atoms, okay, plus here liberation of what here H2O molecule, this one OH. Now here we are going to add what here two oxygen atoms. Now here what happen after addition of this two oxygen atoms, so that will become what here C double bond O, CO, that indicates what here. So look at here, by observing this one CH2 group, that will oxidize to what here CO group. By the addition of what here high oxygen atoms, so the alcohol which convert into what here acid group. So in presence of oxidizing agent like alkaline or acidified KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 or acidified chromium trioxide. So the acidified chromium trioxide is called what here Jones reagent. Acidified chromium trioxide is called what here Jones reagent. Now so here I have written the general reaction for the oxidation of the primary alcohol, that use what here acid, carboxylic acid. Okay. Now let us I will take one example. Ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2OH. So this is an primary alcohol. So which on oxidation, addition of oxygen, so alkaline KMnO4 or acidified K2Cr2O7. So here again what here this CH2 group converted into what here CO group. So oxidation can be takes place CH3 C double bond O OH plus here H2O. By the oxidation of primary alcohol, so that is converted into what here acid group. So this is an acetic acid or ethanoic acid. IUPAC name is ethanoic because two carbon atoms are there. So hence the name of this compound is what here? Ethanoic acid with the elimination of what here? Water molecule. Now, so just here the oxidation of primary alcohol, that gives what here? A carboxylic acid. So this is a oxidation action of what here? Alkaline KMnO4 or acidified K2Cr2O7 or neutral condition. Okay. So now I will take one more example. The oxidizing agents like chromium trioxide in acidic condition. So already I had told that the oxidizing agent KMnO4, K2Cr2O7 acidic in basic condition. Now here the chromium trioxide in acidic condition. So that is called what here? Jones reagent. Okay. So here also this will oxidize alcohol to what here? Acid. So let us, I will take one example. 1 decanol, totally, so 10 carbon atoms, CH2OH, 1 decanol. So 8 carbon atoms, 9, 10. Alcohol, 1 decanol. Okay. So that gives what here? In presence of chromium trioxide in acidic condition. So acidic condition. So let us, I will take one acid, H2SO4. So alcohol converted into acid group. Now that produce what here? CH3, CH2, 8 times COOH plus H2O. So this is an decanoic acid. So this is the oxidation action of what here? Again here addition of oxygen atoms, addition of oxygen in the presence of chromium trioxide in acidic condition, that gives what here? Decanoic acid. Same thing here, because this is also an oxidizing agent. So here addition of oxygen can be takes place, and alcohol that is converted into what here? Acid group. 1 decanol converted to decanoic acid in presence of oxidizing agent like chromium trioxide in acidic condition. So that is called Jones reagent. Oxidation can be takes place, addition of oxygen can be takes place. So alcohol converted into what here? Acid group. So this is method, one of the method for the preparation of what here? Preparation of carboxylic acid from the primary alcohol. Here the oxidation can be takes place, addition of oxygen can be takes place in presence of oxidizing agents like KMnO4, K2Cr2O7 and Jones reagent. Okay. So now the next one, from alkyl benzene. Next one method, from alkyl benzene. Okay. So let us, I will take directly one example. When toluene undergo oxidation in the presence of base, so there is a formation of an intermediate product. Okay. So intermediate product. Okay. So now here 2H2O. So this intermediate product which is on acidification, okay, plus HCl. Now here there is a formation of what here? Benzoic acid plus KCl. Okay. So this is the second method for the preparation of what here? Carboxylic acid. Now the second method, so we are going to prepare what here? Carboxylic acid, that is benzoic acid. When the toluene that will undergo oxidation in presence of base, so that gives what here? Potassium salts of benzoate. So which is on acidification. So in acidification by the addition of acid, so we will get what here? Benzoic acid. See here. So here liberation of KCl, elimination of KCl. Now here also same thing, addition of what here? 2 oxygen atoms. So totally here the total number of oxygen atoms are left hand side 3 oxygen and this one 4 oxygen atoms, and here we have 2 and here 2 oxygen atoms. Totally 4 oxygen atoms are there. Now here this is an potassium salts of benzoate. So after this acidification, we will get what here? Benzoic acid. So this is an second method for the preparation of what here? Carboxylic acid. Okay. So now the next one method for the preparation of what here? A carboxylic acid from nitriles. From nitriles. Third one method of the preparation of what here? Carboxylic acid. So preparation of carboxylic acid from nitriles. Okay, let us, I will write the general reaction. So here the nitriles, this is also called what here? Cyanohydrocarbon. So which is on hydrolysis, addition of water in acidic condition, that is acid hydrolysis. So here formation of what here? Amide. So amide undergo further hydrolysis, that gives what here? A carboxylic acid. Now addition of H2O across that carbon nitrogen triple bond. Now I will write here RC double bond O NH2. One oxygen atom adds to this carbon atom and two hydrogen adds to this nitrogen atoms, hence RCONH2. So this is an amide group. So again which is on hydrolysis, addition of water, so that gives what here? A acid group. Now again here the OH part of this water molecule adds this side and remaining one H adds this side, and here what happened? There is a formation of what here? RC double bond OH plus NH2 is there and this one H, that is what here? NH3. Now here what happened? The nitriles which is on acid hydrolysis, addition of water, so that gives what here? Amide. So amide which undergo further hydrolysis and there is a formation of what here? Acid, and with elimination of what here? Ammonia. Now as I told here, addition of water molecule across carbon nitrogen triple bond. So here the H2O, the OH part, so that is oxygen part adds to this carbon atom, that will become RCO, and remaining H2 part adds this side. So hence that will becomes what here? RCO NH2. So that is amide. So amide which further hydrolysis, that gives what here? Acid. So as I told here, the hydrogen part adds to this side, hence that will becomes what here? NH3, and OH part adds to this side, that becomes what here? RCOOH. So like that here this is a third method for the preparation of what here? Carboxylic acid. So let us, I will take one example. Ethane nitrile which undergo acid hydrolysis, so that gives amide, addition of oxygen part to the carbon atom and H2 part to the hydrogen atom. So now here CH3, addition of oxygen, now two hydrogen adds to nitrogen side. So there is a formation of what here? Amide. Okay, ethanamide. So which is on hydrolysis again here the OH part adds this side, H part adds this side. So that will become CH3 COOH plus NH3. So this is an acetic acid or ethanoic acid. So this is the example, and example for the preparation of carboxylic acid from nitriles. So just here the nitriles which on hydrolysis in the acidic medium, that use what here? Amides, which undergo further hydrolysis, that use what here? Carboxylic acid. Okay. So next one method, fourth one, from the Grignard reagent. So when Grignard reagent react with what here? Carbon dioxide, so dry ice, so that gives what here? That carboxylic acid. Now I will write the reaction. Grignard reagent, already we know that the formula, general formula RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide, so react with carbon dioxide. Now already we know that here the R minus part adds to this carbon atom, and one of this oxygen which takes what here? Negative charge. So the minus O minus, that will becomes O minus, and this O minus here, this is an plus part, MgX is an plus part, and R minus, this one R is a minus part. So this plus part, MgX plus part, which adds here. Now the reaction is, intermediate product is R C double bond O. This is already minus, this plus part adds to here, OMgX. So this is an intermediate adduct. Okay. So which is on hydrolysis, that gives what here? Carboxylic acid, RCOH. So like this, hydrolysis, breaking of bond, H part, OH part, plus MgX Okay, so this is the method of the preparation of what here carboxylic acid from the Grignard reagent. So let us, I will take one example, methyl magnesium bromide. So methyl magnesium bromide, CH3 MgBr. So react with carbon dioxide. Again here an intermediate product. This is an CH3 it is a negative part which will adds to this carbon, and this will becomes what here O minus. So to this O minus addition of plus part MgBr. So after this hydrolysis you will get what here corresponding acid CH3 C double bond O plus part adds to this minus part MgBr. So which on hydrolysis breaking H part, OH part, CH3, this part will becomes C double bond OH plus MgBr OH. Okay, MgBr OH. Now this is an acetic acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid. So this is the another one method for the preparation of what here carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent react with carbon dioxide, so which gives an intermediate product, so which is on hydrolysis, that gives what here a carboxylic acid. Okay, so next one method from acyl halide. So acyl halide, I have written here acyl halide general formula RCOX. So which on acid hydrolysis, so here there is a liberation of HX, okay, and remaining OH part adds here, so hence the product is what here RCOH, acid it is a product. But when they react with, so this is first reaction, acyl halide when they react undergo acid hydrolysis, that gives what here carboxylic acid directly. So whereas when acyl halide react with the base, that gives a sodium salts of acid, okay, or salts of as carboxylic acid, which on hydrolysis that gives what here a carboxylic acid. So here when the acyl halide react with undergo acid hydrolysis, that gives directly carboxylic acid, whereas when acyl halide, so this is first reaction and this is second, when acyl halide react with base and there is a formation of salts of carboxylic acid, so after this when it undergo hydrolysis, that gives what here corresponding acid. So here I will take one example. So when acetyl chloride, example for acetyl chloride, this reaction undergo acid hydrolysis in presence of acid hydrolysis. So here liberation of HCl. Now the CH3 COOH plus what here liberation of what is HCl. Now here there is a formation of carboxylic acid. Which one? Acetic acid or ethanoic acid. So if the acetyl chloride undergo hydrolysis in presence of base, so when they react with base, now base NaOH minus HX, now that will undergo CH3COONA plus what here HCl, ONA plus HCl. So here I have written HCl, so directly I will write here HCl liberated, which on hydrolysis H2O, the product is CH3 COOH plus NaOH. The OH part of this water adds to the Na, so there is a formation of NaOH, and the H part adds to this side, hence the product is CH3COOH, carboxylic acid. So this is the another one method for the preparation of what here carboxylic acid, acyl halide from Grignard reagent. So next one from acid anhydride, So from acyl halide, you know that the acyl halide, so which undergo hydrolysis in presence of acid, that gives what here carboxylic acid. When the acyl halide react with the base, there is a formation of what here salts of carboxylic acid, which on hydrolysis that gives what here acid. Okay. So the next one from acid anhydride. So I will write the general reaction from acid anhydride. Okay, I will write the general reaction anhydride. Okay, so this is an anhydride general formula. So which undergo hydrolysis. So that gives what hydrolysis means, addition of water, breaking of bond can be takes place. Now that gives what here corresponding acid only. Now the hydrolysis, H part adds this side, OH part add this side. Now the product is what here, RCOH plus RCOH plus RCOH. That gives what here corresponding acid only. Okay. So here I will take one example, acetic anhydride. For this example, acetic anhydride, CS3, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3, which on this is an acetic anhydride. So which on hydrolysis, I will write here reaction. So again, the H part adds here, OH part here. Now there is a formation of what is CS3, COH, the first part plus this part, CS3, COOH. Here the formation of what here carboxylic acid can be takes place. So this is one of the method for the preparation of what here carboxylic acid. Now already we know that from Grignard reagent and from acyl halide, and this is fifth one method from acid anhydride. So just acid anhydride that will undergo hydrolysis and there is a formation of corresponding carboxylic acid. Okay. So next one, the sixth one method, that is preparation from the esters. So esters, when they react with what here, esters here, the esters which undergo hydrolysis. So I will write the general formula, esters which undergo hydrolysis, that use what here corresponding acid and alcohol. So now the esters general formula, RC double bond O R dash. Okay, esters. So which undergo hydrolysis, there is a formation of what here, acid and alcohol. Now just here hydrolysis by the addition of water molecule. So H part adds here, again OH part adds to this side. Now the product is RCOOH plus ROH. Now we will get what here, one part carboxylic acid, another part is what here, alcohol. Now I will take the one example, that is ethyl benzoate. Now C6H5, C double bond O, O, C2H5. So which on hydrolysis, ethyl benzoate, which on hydrolysis, again here hydrolysis, H part OH, water molecule, the H part adds to this side, there is a formation of what here, acid, C6H5, COH, benzoic acid plus ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. So this is the another one method for the preparation of what here, carboxylic acid. Now we will let us move for the physical properties of the carboxylic acid. So physical properties, the first method, that is color, odor and physical state. And after this we have one more property, that is boiling point and solubility. So let us, we will study about this in next class. Thank you.